We at Bosch know you love to have fun with your kids. But a lot of fun often means a lot of mess. That's why our washing machines take care of that for you. Just fill up once and it doses automatically. Wash after wash. Forgot something? Don't worry. You can add extra items whenever you want. And when you're having a great time with your kids, you barely hear anything. Wherever you are always in control. And you know when your laundry is ready to be dried. And while your clothes are in safe hands, you can get ready for the game. Because everything is simply taken care of. The jerseys, as good as new. The parents, relaxed. The fun time, about to continue. Perfect results have never been so easy. Bosch, invented for life.